Watch winders are a practical luxury for automatic watches, ensuring consistent movement, reducing timekeeping variance, and protecting lubricants from settling. With a wide range of designs, from compact single-watch cases to feature-rich multi-slot boxes, consumers must weigh build quality, motor quietness.
List number 1. Watch winder for automatic watches. Automatic single watch winder box. Unamella's single watch winder is a compact, premium feel taste built with carbon fiber leather, MDF, and clear acrylic. It emphasizes silent operation, Japanese motor, and anti-magnetic protection, plus flexible power options via AC or 2AA batteries. The default program winds clockwise for 2 minutes, rests 6, then counterclockwise 2 minutes with a 6-minute rest, which is a common pattern designed to minimize wear while providing consistent movement. It ships with adjustable pillows to accommodate different watch sizes and includes an AC adapter for convenience. Performance-wise, the winder is best for users who value quiet operation and a sleek exterior in a compact footprint, 6 by 6 by 9 inches, 2.07 pounds. The 5 dB noise level claim is typical for Japanese motors in entry-level winders. Real-world noise will depend on mounting and surface. The product's biggest caveat is the manual wind prerequisite. To avoid stoppage, users should crown wind 20 to 40 times before placing the watch, which adds setup overhead but improves reliability for weak power reserves. With AC or battery power, users get flexibility for travel or home use, and the included pillows provide a snug fit for various wrist sizes.
List number 2. McBazel Watch Winder for Automatic Watches. McBazel offers a dual-slot winder with a transparent acrylic window, enabling simultaneous maintenance for 2 watches. It's powered by a Japan-made quiet motor and uses adjustable cushions for watches up to 58 mm diameter and 28 mm thickness, with strap lengths 180 to 210 mm. It supports 2 operating modes, Mode B for short-term and Mode L for long-term, with a cycling pattern that winds in one direction then rests, and a note to manually wind the crown 20 to 40 times to prevent stoppage. Performance-wise, the winder targets versatility for users with 2 watches, providing a larger footprint than a single-slot unit, but still compact enough for a dresser or desk. The device is designed for mechanical watches only, not quartz, and operates at approximately 970 to 2,430 turns per day, offering a broad range to accommodate many calibers. A notable caveat is the power input requirement. It works with standard phone chargers 3V to 9V, 0.5A, but excludes the adapter, requiring careful selection of a compatible charger. This makes setup highly dependent on the user's existing accessories.
List number 3. Watch winder. JINS and Vico presents a large 8-space winder with upgraded pillows and built-in illumination. It supports multiple winding modes, clockwise, counterclockwise, or both, and offers a wide range of turns per day settings from 650 to 1950 TPD. The unit includes AC-DC power compatibility, DC 12 volts with AC 100 to 240 volts input, and ships with an AC adapter, key, manual, and spare pillows. It's positioned as a premium, feature-rich option suitable for serious collectors with multi-watch needs. Performance-wise, this model emphasizes configurability and visibility. The built-in illumination helps when selecting or arranging watches in the night or in dim lighting. The 12-hour operation limit before an automatic pause is a notable constraint that may affect extended winding sessions, particularly for watches requiring continuous cycling. The weight, 17.7 pounds, and size, 16.1 by 7.9 by 11.1 inches, reflect a sturdy, room-filling unit designed for a dedicated watch corner. However, the complexity of modes may present a learning curve for new users, and daytime noise will vary with the motor and enclosure.
List number 4. A&W Broad Watch Winders for Automatic Watches. A&W Broad's 4-slot winder offers a piano finish exterior with carbon fiber accents, built-in blue LED lighting, and 4 rotation modes. It supports multiple rotation patterns to provide flexibility, including a longer mode 4 that runs for 3 hours with a 9-hour rest. The motor is advertised as ultra-quiet, less than 5 decibels, with a brushless design, making it suitable for bedrooms or offices. It's a tabletop unit with a relatively compact footprint for a 4-watch setup. Performance-wise, the unit's standout is long mode operation, mode 4, for extended winding cycles, which can be advantageous for certain calibers requiring longer activation. The blue LED illumination is both aesthetic and practical for nighttime viewing. The cons include a higher weight for a relatively modest footprint and a bestseller rank that signals moderate mainstream adoption. Some users may prefer a larger entry for more watches or different travel options. Nevertheless, the build quality and quiet operation are well suited for daily use.
List number 5. Automatic single watch winder for Rolex. Dricklex's single-slot winder targets luxury watches with a premium black ostrich leather exterior and a soft camel velvet interior. It uses a 5-rotation mechanism with a claimed 6 laps per minute, providing a quiet operation profile. The solid wood construction and velvet interior emphasize premium feel and protection, while the product includes 1 year of quality assurance and maintenance support. The dimensions are 10.1 by 9.6 by 8.4 inches, making it a compact yet upscale option. Performance-wise, this model aims at quiet, steady winding with a simple interface. The 5 rotation modes and 6 RPM average provide a well-balanced approach for Rolex and other luxury brands. Its build quality, PU leather, and clear acrylic glass offers a premium perception at a mid-range price point. The packaging and warranty bolster buyer confidence, though the unit's smaller capacity means you'd need another winder for larger collections.